Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sketches with me. In this episode, you are going to learn how to draw faster and make your drawing look more closer to reality. I'm going to give you an example of how I draw when I first started out. I just see the object and while seeing that, I just draw on the paper without realizing how to draw. Like I'm drawing this container or this bottle. I just used to draw like this when I first started out. If you are like me, the reason why your drawing is like this because you are focusing on a single area, not on the bigger picture. In this tutorial, you will going to learn how to focus away from the details and allowing you to see the world differently, which will be the way you draw for the better. Everything we see around the world we can broken down into a series of simple shapes like triangle, circle, square. Like this. Entire scene you can break it down in your mind with a little concentration and you can broken down into the shapes like this. A lot of artists do these things, but most of them do it in their minds. They can do all this without planning and they do it on paper first. It's a valuable skill which come with lot of practice. So you focus on this process and break down all these all the drawing whatever you want to draw into simple shapes and then you sketch and refine and then define that shape. Now I am going to draw a flower here. So what I am going to do, I will draw a loose circle. Then I am going to point out. I am making some triangles here for a petal. Now I am going to refine it and making triangle. Till then you have to do it until you get the defined result. So as you can see, I'm creating a boundary here first. Then I made some other shapes inside that boundary, so it will be easier to draw it. It allows you to think about the object as a whole instead of focusing on specific spot at a time. Continue sketching until you join all the shapes together into one solid object. When you finish your drawing, the shapes you drew, it shouldn't be so obvious anymore. You must try this technique and see how it works for you. If you have ever struggled with a drawing before, you must use this technique to draw any kind of drawing like scene, object, insects, whatever. So now you can remove these outline marks and your flower is ready. You just define it more. So now you can see how perfect it is. Now I'm going to apply this method to draw a scene. No matter how complicated a scene is, this technique can help you plan out your drawing in just a few minutes. So I'm going to draw a scene here. So here you see I'm going to draw some triangle, tree. I'm using two parallel lines or making a rectangle. I'm going to make a circle for a tree, and here one line, two line for a river. It also helps when you are going to draw outside and you want to draw something from nature. So it will be helpful because you can draw a lot faster when you see the world in shapes. So when you are blocking out of your drawing, it allows you to make sure all the shapes are in the right place before you commit to draw the entire scene in detail. So I have drawn here 3 triangles, as you can see, these are mountains, and one rectangle and circle for a tree, and just 2 parallel lines for a river. So this is my sketch for a scenery. Now I'm going to refine these shapes and make it like a natural form. So this is are my mountains and this is my tree. I'm just refining the shapes and then just define it in the way which I want. So you can make this scenery by using these shapes. You can also very easily erase the elements which you don't want, or you can make it in a correct form, because we have a eraser for a reason. Whatever you don't want, you can just erase it and make it look perfect. The entire process can be quick as you want it to be. The more time you spend, the more precise your drawing will be. So, but you are minimizing the amount of practice you get by using this technique. You can learn any drawing, or you can draw anything, whatever you want, by using this technique. So you just practice more and more. Go outside and see the object, whatever you want to draw, and you just think whatever the shapes they fit in, and you just draw these shapes and then refine it and define it, and whatever lines you don't want, you just erase it. So my assignment for you is to you go pack up your book, sketchbook, and go for a walk and find a place to sit, and you just draw whatever you want to draw. And once you get the hang of it, you will start to see shapes everywhere you look. So it is better for you to practice more and more. And my challenge is for you is to draw at least 2 scenes and 2 objects, whatever you see in the park or wherever you go. Thanks for watching this episode. Let's meet in the next episode.